All right, so right now it's super dark. I got this little lantern right by me so that you can actually see my face. Right now, wifey and I are chilling by the campfire, and the baby's asleep in the tent. And yeah, we're just gazing up at the stars right now and enjoying the rest of the evening. I will check back in with you guys tomorrow. Yo, what up, what up? Good morning, tribe. It's your boy C's once again, and we are coming to you live from the Conestoga Ranch this morning. We woke up hungry as hell, but breakfast isn't ready yet, so we're gonna take August for a swing and calm him down because he's been very agitated this morning. We're not used to camping, so hence we glamped it up. We glamped it up because camping with this little tiger over here would be a disaster. But yeah, sit back and let's go about this day today. So interestingly enough, we just ran into some fellow YouTubers. You see that van right over my shoulders? That's the YouTuber Good Dad. They're from Salt Lake City. We're right now in Rendezvous Beach, and we just ran into them. Cool people. I'm going to check out their channel. You should too. The community grows a lot better and bigger that way. We're just going to chill here and then go to Evanston. We're gonna go back to Salt Lake City a different way than we came. So we're just gonna chill in the shade a little bit and yeah, go there and grab something to eat. So we made it we're in Wyoming, pit stop, Don Pedro's. We're a family that love Mexican food. So we're about to tear this shit up because I'm hungry. You hungry, August? Huh?